friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product review. And in today's video we are going to review a water filter or an RO system right here, which is from Eureka Forbes. So this is here from Eureka Forbes that we have the RO system right here, and this is from Aquaguard. This is the Aquaguard Reviva 50 RO. So guys, this is the RO system from Aquaguard, and it has a very large water capacity of 25 liters, which is very good. It provides a lot of water, so the capacity is good. And you can see the Eureka Forbes branding here. So guys, this is the inlet pipe through which the water goes in, and this is the outlet pipe. So every RO system has these two pipes. One is the inlet and the outlet. And this is the power switch which is there. So when I put it on, the RO system starts, and you can see water has started to filter the water. And this is the front tank. The best part about this RO system, what I like, is you actually are able to see how much water is there. So right now it's less than half, so it will fill it up by putting in water. So yeah, and this is a tap that I have, which provides the water really in full pace. You can either press it down or you can pull it up. If you want little water, just press it down and take it. If you want a lot of water, put it up and you can fill your bottle. So this is how it is, and you can see the water coming out here. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the Eureka Forbes Aquaguard Reviva 50 RO system, it's available on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below. Do check it out. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.